Hello doston, welcome to the Mailani Junction Railway Station. Here in this video we will explore the Mailani Junction Railway Station with station code MLN. Here the number of platforms are 5 with platform 1, platform 2 and 3 are adjoining, platform 4 and 5 are adjoining. Number of halting trains are 8. The trains originates at the station are 9 as well as the terminating trains are 9. It is situated in the Mailani Lakhimpur Kheri district of Uttar Pradesh. It is strategically located on NH National Highway 731. The station is known for its vibrant local market, bustling with street food, vendors and local shops, offering a glimpses into the religions, culture and traditions. One more thing, the station lies with a pin code of 262803. We can visit nearby places such as Gurudwara Mailani, Ram Mandir, Hanuman Mandir, etc. There are so many facilities which are available at the station such as UTS ticketing counter and windows, PRS ticket counter, inquiry counter, ATVM machine for automatic ticket booking, waiting rooms, VIP lounge, upper class waiting rooms, modern toilet facilities are also available. This is a model station for Divyangjan. This junction is an important station of Aishbagh-Bareilly Section and Mailani Junction and Nanpara Junction MG section. This junction has both BG and MG tracks, better known as broad gauge and meter gauge tracks. Tourist places nearby stations are Krishnapur Sanctuary, part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Jaisantri Devi Temple and Aircraft Museum. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for the next video.